The intriguing plot of Dan Brown's best-selling novel keeps readers captivated from start to finish. With unexpected twists and turns, the story takes readers on a thrilling journey filled with secrets and mysteries. Each chapter reveals new clues, keeping readers hooked and eager to uncover the truth. The plot is intricately woven, with multiple storylines and characters that all come together in a satisfying climax. The novel also seamlessly integrates different settings and locations, adding depth and richness to the story. In Dan Brown's best-selling novel, the author presents a wide range of scientific mysteries that contribute to the overall intrigue of the story. With a focus on cryptography and ancient symbols, the novel explores the secrets and hidden messages they can reveal. Throughout the story, readers are introduced to concepts such as codes, deciphering, and encryption, which are key elements in solving the mysteries. These scientific mysteries are grounded in real-world concepts and theories, adding authenticity and depth to the plot. As readers dive into the exploration of these mysteries, they are kept engaged and eager to uncover the truth behind the clues. This aspect of the novel not only entertains but also educates, offering an intellectual experience for readers. Genetic engineering, as defined by the manipulation of an organism's genetic material, is a scientific concept that involves the deliberate insertion or deletion of specific genes. This process allows for the introduction of new traits or the modification of existing ones to achieve desired outcomes, such as improved crop yields or increased resistance to diseases. For instance, scientists have successfully developed plants that produce their own pesticides, reducing the reliance on chemical sprays. However, the use of genetic engineering raises ethical dilemmas regarding the potential for unintended consequences and the long-term impact on ecosystems. There is a concern that genetically modified organisms, GMOs, may escape into the wild and disrupt natural ecosystems, underscoring the need for careful consideration and regulation. De-extinction, often involving the use of genetic engineering, is a scientific concept aimed at resurrecting extinct species. This process typically involves extracting DNA from preserved specimens, reconstructing the complete genome, and introducing this genetic information into a closely related species. The goal is to recreate species that have been lost to extinctions, such as the woolly mammoth or the passenger pigeon. However, the ethical implications of de-extinction are complex. One concern is the feasibility of reintroducing these species into their original habitats, as the ecosystems they once thrived in may no longer exist. This poses challenges in ensuring the survival and well-being of these resurrected species. Let's dive into Michael Crichton's gripping tale about a deadly extraterrestrial microorganism and its potential impact on humanity. The story revolves around this small organism, which poses a significant threat to humanity. Scientists are working tirelessly to understand the organism and its effects. The microorganism has the potential to cause widespread devastation. It is crucial for humanity to find a way to combat this extraterrestrial threat. Delving into Dan Brown's intriguing thriller, we encounter a world where symbols hold profound significance and contain secrets that lead characters on a thrilling quest. Throughout the story, various symbols, including ancient codes and iconic images, serve as captivating clues, challenging readers to unravel their hidden meanings. These symbols provide a gateway to scientific mysteries, shedding light on the intricate relationship between science and art. By deciphering the symbolism embedded in the narrative, readers gain a deeper understanding of the scientific concepts explored and embark on an intellectual journey that leaves them captivated. In exploring the science behind surviving on Mars, several key challenges must be faced. Firstly, Mars has a thin atmosphere devoid of oxygen, rendering it inhospitable to human life. Astronauts would require artificial sources of oxygen, such as oxygen tanks, to breathe. Secondly, the extreme cold on Mars presents a significant obstacle, with temperatures often dropping below -150°C. Insulated suits and heaters would be necessary to maintain suitable body temperatures. Thirdly, Mars lacks a protective magnetic field, resulting in increased exposure to radiation from the Sun. Astronauts would require shielding and other forms of protection to mitigate the health risks associated with this radiation. Moreover, the scarcity of water on Mars poses a challenge, requiring astronauts to either bring their own supply or develop means of extracting water from the Martian soil or atmosphere. Finally, the mental health of astronauts in such an isolated and desolate environment must be considered. The psychology of living on Mars can have profound effects, including feelings of loneliness and depression. Robust support systems would need to be established to address these potential concerns. Michael Crichton, a renowned author, has written captivating science thrillers, such as Prey, Sphere, and Next. Prey is an intriguing novel that delves into the world of nanotechnology, genetic engineering, and artificial intelligence. It follows the thrilling journey of Jack Foreman as he battles self-replicating nanobots that have escaped. Sphere, another fascinating novel, revolves around a team of scientists who encounter supernatural phenomena after discovering a mysterious spacecraft at the bottom of the ocean. Next, a thought-provoking masterpiece, explores the ethical implications of genetic engineering and the potential consequences of manipulating our genes. With multiple storylines and engaging characters, Michael Crichton delivers a gripping narrative that leaves readers pondering the future of genetics and biotechnology. Time travel is a fascinating and often mystifying concept that frequently finds its way into science mystery and thriller books. Authors skillfully employ this idea to create engrossing narratives filled with suspense, unexpected twists, and exciting adventures. By allowing characters to travel through time, authors unlock a treasure trove of narrative possibilities, enabling them to revisit the past or journey into the future. These journeys often lead to mind-bending conundrums, where characters must grapple with the implications of altering the past or the potential cascade effect on the timeline. The butterfly effect, a term popularized by chaos theory, aptly captures the idea that even the smallest change made in the past can have significant consequences in the present or future. This concept adds a layer of unpredictability and excitement, keeping readers on the edge of their seats as they eagerly follow the twists and turns of the story. Parallel universes, a captivating and thought-provoking concept, commonly feature in science mystery and thriller books. Authors skillfully employ parallel universes to explore intriguing what-if scenarios, pushing the boundaries of reality and immersing readers in awe-inspiring tales. Parallel universes coexist alongside our own, offering captivating glimpses into alternative versions of our reality, where pivotal events may have unfolded differently or where unique opportunities and challenges abound. These alternative realities often serve as a playground for authors, enabling them to introduce enthralling variations of beloved characters, all while raising profound philosophical questions surrounding fate, free will, and the true nature of reality itself. This concept adds depth and complexity to the narrative, captivating readers and ensuring a thrilling and thought-provoking reading experience. Psychic abilities, including telepathy and precognition, are recurring themes in science mystery and thriller books. These extraordinary gifts inject a compelling supernatural element into the narrative, heightening tension and creating an exhilarating reading experience. Characters endowed with telepathy can communicate through thought alone, unlocking a realm of hidden thoughts and secret investigations. Precognition gifts characters with tantalizing glimpses of the future, setting the stage for a thrilling race against time. The presence of psychics often sparks conflicts and power struggles, as their abilities become highly sought after and coveted by those seeking to gain an edge. Authors adeptly examine the ethical implications and consequences of psychic abilities, delving into the intricate complexities and moral dilemmas faced by their characters. This exploration adds a layer of richness and depth, enticing readers to delve into a world where extraordinary abilities blur the lines between what is possible and what is unimaginable. Sherlock Holmes relies on the scientific method to solve mysteries. He carefully observes the crime scene and collects relevant evidence. Based on the available information, he formulates hypotheses and conducts investigations to gather more data. Holmes then uses logical reasoning and deduction to analyze the collected data. This systematic approach allows him to come to a conclusion and solve complex cases. In this section, let's dive into the world of Jewish folklore and explore the scientific mysteries surrounding the legendary creature known as the golem. Jewish folklore is filled with tales and legends, and one of the most famous creatures is the golem. The golem is a being made of clay or mud, brought to life through mystical rituals. It is believed that the golem's purpose is to protect and defend the Jewish community from danger. Many stories describe the golem as a powerful and unstoppable force, capable of incredible feats. By delving into the origins and cultural significance of the golem, we can gain a deeper understanding of Jewish folklore and its beliefs. On a secluded island, a notorious scientist named Dr. Moreau, created by H. G. Wells, conducted unethical scientific experiments involving the creation of human-animal hybrids through surgery and vivisection. These experiments challenge the boundaries of science and raise ethical questions about the treatment of animals. The secluded nature of the island allowed Dr. Moreau to conduct his experiments without any interference or oversight. The outcomes of these experiments were the creation of grotesque and inhumane creatures, underscoring the ethical implications and serving as a cautionary tale for the consequences of unchecked scientific experimentation.